Morning, Classer. We're outside because Fred wanted to draw Rex. Rex thinks it's a good idea too. So Fred's going to have a go at doing some drawing. That's it. Have a look at him. Always start at the top. Oh, good observation skills, Fred. He was going wiggly. This is a long bit. I think I know what that is. There's his 2 fingers because he's a T-Rex. Oh, there's his sharp teeth. His eyes, his nose. He's got stripes all down his belly, a bit like you, Fred. He's got sharp claws. And I think you're right, he's got spots down his back. Did a super job, Fred. Do you like it? Do you think Rex will like it? Do you think you could label it? Fred's very good at writing. Right, let's see if we can use a different pen. Right then, got a pen. Choose a body part, see if you can label it, Fred. Oh, we want to label that part. That's the tail. Tail. See if you can write tail. A. A, snail in the rain. You're right. A, down the long leg. Good boy. Well done, Fred. Bet you can't write a sentence with a tricky word. Go on then. Oh, that's a nice capital letter, Fred. He is. Lovely finger spaces, especially when you've not got fingers. It's quite impressive, Fred. G. He is g. E. Wonder what it's going to say. Can you guess? He is g. E. Green. Have you finished, Fred? What's missing? Well done. He is green. Oh, I think Rex is a bit tired. I'm sure he'll like it when he wakes up. Can you draw a dinosaur and label it? Or even write a sentence?